Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I think I'm the last speaker of this parliament for tonight, but representing Janubi Punjab, I'll try to do my best. Mr. Speaker, before I start, I would like to add that I am the fourth generation to be part of this honorable parliament. I have seen my grandfather here. My father, Chaudhry Jafar Iqbal, has been sitting on the chair you're sitting as a speaker. And I have seen very notable, honorable leaders to be were part of this house. Nawaz Sharif Sahab as the Prime Minister, Benazir Bhutto as the leader of the opposition. But we never saw the chaos, the lunatism we saw the other day. Honest to God, I was embarrassed. Because this house is the most prestigious house, the most honorable place. We strive to come here. We represent the community we come from, and we take thousands of votes to reach this parliament. This is the way we're going to disgrace it? So for the coming years, I would request my member parliamentarians, for whatever time we have, we should show patience, endurance for each other, and love and respect for each other. For whoever will win, but this will not take us anywhere. Now, Mr. Speaker, before I start with the budget speech, I would like to quote the Finance Minister. He said, Prime Minister Imran Khan wants to change the course of history. Of course, he has changed the course of history. For bringing in 700 billion taxation, bringing a lower income support program for a person who has a very low income of 20,000 rupees under the taxation of 10 billion. How do you expect him to sustain and provide livelihood to his children, to provide shelter, to provide rent, to provide food, to provide medical facilities? I would like to ask the Finance Minister, for when he comes next time in this house, to please give us a breakup that how should that person live in those 20,000 rupees in this day and age. Mr. Speaker, it's easier said than done, but I'm sorry to say, ये कहते हैं ना सफ़ेद हाथी, सिर्फ सफ़ेद हाथी को यहाँ पे टेक केयर किया, गरीब को नहीं. ये सिर्फ लफ्जी जमा खर्च है. गरीब की पसली तोड़ी गई है. पुराने पाकिस्तान में अगर गरीब सोता था तो भूखे पेट नहीं सोता था, 3 वक्त की रोटी ज़रूर मिलती थी उससे. लेकिन आज 1 वक्त की रोटी मुश्किल है. कभी आप खरात जहाँ बटती है वहाँ जाके देखें कितनी लंबी क्यूज़ हैं. 1 वक्त की रोटी के लिए लोग झड़क एक दूसरे से वाले छीन रहे होते हैं, रोटियों के लिफाफे छीन रहे होते हैं. इट इज़ वेरी पेनफुल एंड वेरी मिजरेबल. मिस्टर स्पीकर, इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ पे तो बात की, बट व्हाट अबाउट ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट? व्हाट अबाउट द यूथ ऑफ पाकिस्तान? Pakistan is the second youngest country of South Asia after Afghanistan, and the population of the youth is above 64%. What has this new budget given for the youth of Pakistan? Any new programs? We provided them laptops. We gave them endowment funds. We gave them job facilities. But what has this government done? आज हालात ये हो गए हैं कि लोग अपने बच्चे, they don't want to work in Pakistan. They will disgrace themselves. They'll do a small scale job, but they'll try to go abroad. चाहे इलीगल तरीके से जाएं, कंटेनर्स में बंद होके, क्या पता उधर जाके लाशें उनकी खुलें, लेकिन वो ये रिस्क लेते हैं because they don't see promising Pakistan here. Why, Mr. Speaker? Why has it has come down to this? It pains me when I see a young master degree holder, young boy driving a rickshaw, and he says that I have no other choice to how to sustain myself. It really pains me. So, Mr. Speaker, European Union में, America में, I hope the Finance Ministry representatives taking this point, जब बाहर के लोगों ने financial support देते हैं education में, so why don't the banks of Pakistan provide student loans to these students? Yesterday I received a call from my constituency, a very elderly man crying. He said, Beta, for the little money I had of my pension, I've married my daughters, but I don't have money to send my son to a university. What do I do? What answer should I give? That what PTI government has done, it is very shameful. Mr. Speaker, we have come out of COVID, but there's a bigger challenge we have to face. The world is addressing it, but Pakistan is not as yet. Pakistan has to look into global warming, eco-friendly things. We haven't done anything for the recycling, for the ban of plastic. You know, Mr. Speaker, that 80 tons of plastic is thrown every year in the ocean. And we as human beings, we live because of the ocean. Because 50% of the oxygen we get is through the ocean. If the marine life dies, we die as human beings. When did we ever see that in June month there was a hailstorm, there was a snowfall? Isn't this awakening our eyes that we need to do something and address it? ये इसी तरह है जिस COVID आया था, nobody believed, but when it hit us bad. So, Mr. Speaker, we need to address this now. Mr. Speaker, this is not the time of arms war, but we have a war with India. We might not, I hope, and we might not never go for nuclear war, but how do we free the Kashmiri people? I'm a member of Kashmir Committee and have come to realize that there is no set budget for the Kashmir. We have to educate the people, the other side of the world, that what is Kashmir, nobody knows. We are just fighting a war on our own. आधी दुनिया को तो कश्मीर का नाम ही नहीं पता और इंडिया अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दे रहा है. हमें चाहिए कि हमें अपनी फैसिलिटीज यूज करके we need to educate the world what is happening in Kashmir. That is the way we are going to fight this war. There is no other way. Mr. Speaker, I belong to South Punjab and I would like to talk about my सूबा. यहाँ आवाज दी जनूबी पंजाब बना के देंगे. 3 सालों में तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. कोई खबर आई आपको कि कुछ हुआ है जनूबी पंजाब का? ये सिर्फ एक सियासी नारा था. मैं पूछना चाहूंगी कि आज ये बताएं यहाँ पे बैठे हुए लोग कि जनूबी पंजाब के लिए क्या किया. मैं अपने कायद मियां मोहम्मद नवाज शरीफ ने क्या किया बताऊंगी. मैं बताऊंगी मेरा लीडर शहबाज शरीफ ने क्या किया. एंड आई हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स just to educate this parliament that what they have delivered. Bahauddin Zakaria University Multan, Women College Kader Peer, Women College Muzaffargarh, Men College Mohammad Nawaz Sharif University Multan, Khwaja Farid Engineering University. Sir, these are not small projects, but they are a game changer. They are a game changer for the youth who cannot travel to a big city and to get educated, but they are getting facilitated. This is what my leader Nawaz Sharif did. This is what my leader Shahbaz Sharif did for South Punjab. And now, before I wind up, I would like to urge the government that South Punjab जो है इंडिया में नहीं है, कुलभूषण वहाँ का रहने वाला नहीं है, तो खुदारा उनको तवज्जो दे, उनके बारे में सोचे. हम रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं, हमें फंड्स नहीं मिलते ना सही, लेकिन खुदारा उन लोगों का पूछें. कोई ऐसी स्कीम नहीं हुई जिसके लिए आप खास तौर पे ऑन करें कि जनूबी पंजाब को मिली है. हेपेटाइटिस से लोग मर रहे हैं, लैक ऑफ वाटर से मर रहे हैं, और वहाँ पे जो हालात है इतनी हीट के ऊपर गर्मी से मर रहे हैं. अगले दिन रोडों का ये हाल है कि मेन रोड पे एक पिजारो बिल्कुल जमीन बोस हो गई क्योंकि वहाँ बारिश हुई. कभी ये आपने वाकया सुना है कि इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी जमीन बोस होगी मेन हाईवे पे बिकॉज ऑफ बारिश? सर, इस हाई टाइम ये एड्रेस, ये जो नारेबाजी, विक्टिमाइजेशन, सब वक्त गुजर जाएगा. ये एक पहिया है. व्हाट गोज अराउंड विल कम अराउंड. नवाज शरीफ दिलों में रहता है, उसको कोई नहीं मिटा सकता. शहबाज शरीफ दिलों में रहता है, उसको कोई नहीं मिटा सकता. अगर हलाल करनी है अपनी सीट तो इनको कुछ डिलीवर करना पड़ेगा. It's high time, sir. It's high time not to play the blame game. It's high time to deliver. Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you very much.